Hello and very warm welcome back to Learn English Together. I am Ash and I am here with my fabulous, fantastic, always fashionable Nikki.
Oh wow, what an introduction. Hi everyone, it's so good to have you back with us. And Ash, fashionable? Me? Look at you. You are literally glowing like someone who just bought five new things on sale.
Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But you know what, Nikki? Shopping is actually a great place to learn English. So many shopping habits is now officially it's called research.
Ah, yes, research for the product. Students, if you ever need an excuse for buying something, you just say research.
Exactly. But today we really are doing research. We are diving into one of the most useful topic for daily life, shopping in English.
Yes, whether you shop in a mall, supermarket, local market, or even online, English is everywhere. And today, we will help you speak clearly, confidently, and politely.
Exactly guys. Today's episode will help you speak clearly and confidently. We will teach vocabulary, phrases, pronunciation, stories, role plays, and small practice movements.
So, sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, or even your shopping list because we were about to make your English smarter, sharper, and ready for your next trip to the store.
Let's start. So guys, we going up shopping section for health.
Okay, Ash, imagine this. You walk into a store, you need something, but you can't find it.
The magic phrase excuse me in polite, simple and perfect. Say it slowly. Excuse me. Not excuse me or not hey.
Exactly, Ash. Once you say, excuse me, the next phrases are, I am looking for, do you have? For example, excuse me, I am looking for sugar. Excuse me, do you have this shirt in medium?
Yes. And remember the tone. Don't be shy. Don't be whisper. Just speak clearly.
Let's add three important words every shopper needs. First one, price, the cost of the item. Second one, discount, reduction in price. Third one, sale, a time when many items are cheaper.
And here how not to ask for this price. Don't say price like an angry boss.
Yes, please. Imagine someone shouting price, price in the store.
Instead say how much is this? Or you can also say what is the price of this product? And either then you also say could you tell me the cost of this product?
Now, a common mistake. People say, how expensive is this? It's natural. It sounds like you already think it's too costly.
Correct. Instead says how much does it cost? We going to vocabulary section, return and exchange. If you want to return or exchange something, the receipt is your best friend.
Let me share a short and painful story. Once I bought shoes. It's beautiful and perfect, except wrong size. I went back to return them, and guess what?
You didn't have the receipt.
No, I had thrown it away in the trash. The manager was sweet, but it looked forever. Lesson for everyone. Always keep your receipt.
Yes, and quick recap. Receipt is a paper proof of purchase. And second one, return. Return means give back for money. And third one, exchange. You can swap for a different size or color.
Great. That completes the section 1.
Now guys, we learn common shopping situation practice. So, ready for some real life examples? Let's start with clothes shopping.
I find a jacket. I like it, but I need to try it. Phrase, where are the fitting rooms or changing rooms?
Yes, or even easier, can I try this one?
If it doesn't fit, you can say this is too big. Or you can also say, do you have this in a smaller size?
If you want another color, so you can say, do you have this in different color? So now let's talk about quantities. The countable nouns are like eggs, apples, and orange. Example of I need a few apples.
Uncountable nouns. Example, milk, flour, sugar. Example, how much flour do we have?
Common mistakes. Don't say how many money because money is uncountable. You can say how much money. Okay, Nikki, how much bread do you want?
Just a loaf or few slices.
Perfect. So now guys, we talking about checkout and payments. We can role play a small. Okay, I am as a cashier and Nikki here is a customer. So, hello ma'am, did you find everything today?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, your total is $45. You can pay with cash or card.
Okay, card please. Oh, it's not working. Could you please try that again?
You need to insert the card and enter your PIN.
Could I have a big and receipt please?
Of course. Have a great day. So guys, we now talk about when we shopping, so how much deals with problems.
Sometimes things go wrong while shopping. Maybe the items are damaged. Maybe price is wrong. Maybe the food is expired.
Here are perfect polite phrase. So you can say, excuse me, there seems to be a problem. Or you can also say, I'm afraid this item is damaged. So we now role play for troubleshooting when we shopping. So Nikki bought beans but they are expired.
Excuse me, I just brought this can, but I am afraid it's past the expiration date.
Okay, I'm sorry ma'am. Do you have the receipt? we can exchange it or give you a full refund.
Refund, please. Thank you.
So we learn, guys, some extra useful phrases. Is this durable? Second one, is this good quality? Third one, pardon me. In crowded places, you can say pardon me. Fourth one, oops, sorry if you bump someone. And last one, can you gift wrap this? You can say for gifts.
And here are common mistakes. People say, do you offer takeaway for furniture? No.
And you can say correct phrases. Do you offer delivery?
Here are quick review and final advice. Let's review the 5 top phrases from today's episode.
Okay. The first one, excuse me, I'm looking for. Second one, how much is this? Third one, can I try this on? Fourth one, could you repeat that? Fifth one, there seems to be a problem.
Use these 5 phrases and you will survive 90% of shopping in English.
Remember, confidence is the key. You don't need perfect grammar, just clear communication.